I will explain how to use Microsoft PowerPoint. This presentation will show steps basic for beginners. So let's get started. But before we move to the video tutorial, I will explain you guys what is Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software.
So guys, you can see on the screen, this is the first display when you open Microsoft PowerPoint. This is a blank presentation and several templates provided by Microsoft PowerPoint. Now we will open the blank presentation. When PowerPoint opens, you will see slides panel on the left, main slide area in the middle, and ribbon menu at the top like home, insert, design. Now I will explain how to add text to our PowerPoint. The first one is you can click inside the text box and type your title or content. You can change the font, size, and color from the home menu. For example, I type flower to add the text, and you can also change the left and right alignment or make it centered. And also you can add subtitle to make your PowerPoint more variable. Now we move to how to add slide to our PPT. To add a new slide, you can click home and select new slide and choose the slide layout you want, such as title slide or title and content. In this part is very slide we can choose. Next, we will try to inserting pictures for Microsoft PowerPoint. But before we insert the picture, I will type for my title for this slide is type of flower, because picture I will show is some flower. So to insert a picture, we can click insert. To insert a picture into your slide, first click the insert, tap on the ribbon at the top of the screen. The insert tab contains various options that allow you to add different elements such as pictures, shapes, icons, charts, and tables. Next, click pictures, then choose an image from your computer. A file window will appear, allowing to browse your folder and select the image you want to use. After selecting the image, click insert and the picture will immediately appear on your slide. Once the picture is on the slide, you can adjust its size by dragging the corner handles. Dragging from the corners help keep the picture's proportion balanced. You can also move the picture by clicking and dragging it to the desired position on the slide. Now I will make another example. This example same with the first one. The way how to resize and dragging the picture is same with this one. To make your slides more attractive and visually appealing, click the Design tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. The Design tab provides various tools that help you control the overall appearance of your presentation. In this section, you can choose a theme. A theme automatically changes the background, color scheme, fonts, and layout style of your slide. Using a consistent theme helps your presentation look neat and well organized from the first slide to the last slide. You can also customize the design further by adjusting the background colors, style, or slide variant to match your topic or audience. The next is adding animations. Animation can make your presentation more interesting. To add an animation, click on an object such as text or an image. Then click the animation tab and choose an animation effect. Animation should be used carefully so that the slides do not look too crowded or distracting. The next is adding transition. Transitions are visual effects that appear when you move from one slide to another during a presentation. They help create smooth and professional flow between slides and make the presentation more pleasant to watch. To add a transition, click the Transitions tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. After that, choose a transition effect from the available options such as fade, push, or wipe. You can preview the transition to see how it looks before applying it. You can also set the duration to control how fast or slow the transition happens. A shorter duration makes the transition faster, while a longer duration makes it slower. Adjusting the duration helps ensure the transition feels natural and not too distracting. Transitions should be used consistently and carefully. Using simple transition helps keep the focus on the content and makes slide changes smoother and more professional. To save your presentation, click the File tab located at the top left corner of the screen. Then choose Save As to select where you want to store your presentation file. Next, select the folder or location where you want to save your work, such as document, desktop, or flash drive. After choosing the location, type a file name that is clear and easy to remember. Once you have named your file, click Save. It is important to save your presentation regularly while working to avoid losing your data if the computer suddenly shuts down or experiences an error. Saving your work often helps ensure that all changes are stored properly and your presentation is safe and ready to use later. That brings us to the end of this tutorial on how to use Microsoft PowerPoint. Throughout this video, we have learned the basic steps, starting from the adding new slides, inserting the text and pictures, designing the slide, and adding animation and transition, and finally saving the presentation. I hope this tutorial has helped you understand how PowerPoint works and how you can use its features to create clear, interesting, and professional presentation. Remember that practice is very important. The more you practice, the more confident you will become when using PowerPoint. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope the information shared here will be useful for your studies or future presentation. Once again, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.